Management of chronic illnesses in pediatric nursing. Managing chronic illnesses in pediatric nursing is a multifaceted process that involves continuous care, education, and support for children and their families. Chronic illnesses in children, such as asthma, diabetes, cystic fibrosis, and congenital heart disease, require specialized nursing care to manage symptoms, prevent complications, and enhance the quality of life. Comprehensive care planning. The cornerstone of managing chronic illnesses in pediatric patients is the development of comprehensive care plans tailored to each child's unique needs. Pediatric nurses collaborate with a multidisciplinary team, including pediatricians, specialists, social workers, and nutritionists, to create and implement individualized care plans. These plans address medical treatment, dietary requirements, physical activity, and psychosocial support, ensuring a holistic approach to care. Continuous monitoring and assessment. Pediatric nurses play a critical role in the continuous monitoring and assessment of children with chronic illnesses. Regular checkups, symptom tracking, and laboratory tests are essential to monitor disease progression and treatment efficacy. Nurses are trained to recognize early signs of complications or exacerbations, allowing for timely interventions that can prevent hospitalizations and improve outcomes. They also educate families on recognizing and responding to warning signs, empowering them to manage the condition effectively at home. Patient and family education. Education is a vital component of managing chronic illnesses in pediatric nursing. Nurses provide extensive education to both patients and their families about the illness, treatment options, medication management, and lifestyle modifications. Teaching children and their caregivers about the importance of adherence to treatment regimens, recognizing symptoms, and utilizing coping strategies is crucial for effective disease management. Educational interventions are often tailored to the child's developmental level to ensure understanding and cooperation. Psychosocial support. Living with a chronic illness can be emotionally and psychologically challenging for children and their families. Pediatric nurses offer psychosocial support to help them cope with the stress and anxiety associated with chronic health conditions. This support may include counseling, connecting families with support groups, and providing resources for mental health services. By addressing the emotional and psychological needs, nurses help improve the overall well-being of pediatric patients and their families. Promoting independence and quality of life. Encouraging independence in children with chronic illnesses is an essential aspect of pediatric nursing. Nurses work with children to help them develop self-care skills appropriate for their age and developmental stage. This empowerment fosters a sense of control and confidence, which can significantly improve their quality of life. Activities such as teaching older children how to administer their medications or manage their symptoms independently are examples of this approach. Advocacy and coordination of care. Pediatric nurses often act as advocates for their patients, ensuring they receive the necessary resources and support. They coordinate care across various healthcare settings, liaising with schools, community resources, and other healthcare providers. This coordination helps create a seamless care experience, reducing the burden on families and ensuring continuity of care. In conclusion, managing chronic illnesses in pediatric nursing involves a comprehensive, multidisciplinary approach focused on individualized care plans, continuous monitoring, patient and family education, psychosocial support, and promoting independence. Pediatric nurses are pivotal in enhancing the quality of life for children with chronic illnesses, advocating for their needs, and ensuring they receive holistic and continuous care.